This is an introduction to the SmartCount SC-19. This model is for tracking downtime and downtime reason codes. The main page will remain static until the SmartCount controller has not received a pulse within the number of seconds defined in the timeout setting on the settings page. Current downtime. This field starts incrementing after the timeout period is exceeded. Total downtime. This field shows the total downtime since the last reset of the device. Downtime status. This is where your operator will select a reason after the timeout period has passed. Your operator would come here, select the reason code, and time would start accumulating in that bucket. Any time in there previously would be from previous events where that description code was selected. Let's say they came back from break and the system was down for service. You could simply switch to down for service and time would continue to aggregate in that bucket. When a pulse is received, this current downtime goes back to 0 and your total downtime will show on the main screen. Let's review the settings page. Timeout. This field is in seconds. When the system does not receive a pulse after the number of seconds in this field have passed, the timers will engage. Reset data. If you click on this field, it will reset the data. There are 3 ways to reset the data. This field, on the front screen, if you have a touch screen, you could touch or click with the mouse and hit clear values. Or on the controller, you can press and hold the button for 5 seconds. Sensors. This section is for customers with 2 metal contacts in an electronic device to generate a pulse. The debounce settings can be altered to ensure an accurate count. Time of day. When system time is enabled, you can alter the date and time by simply selecting the field you want to change, changing it, and then selecting the check mark. Total downtime and current downtime. You can customize the background color of this field by time selected here. Total downtime, I have it gray up to 1 hour, blue from 1 hour to 1 hour and 15 minutes, then yellow and red after that. Different color scheme here. Current downtime, blue up to 1 hour, yellow to 2 hours, red after that. Let's review languages. As you can see, the out-of-the-box configuration will have your downtime statuses as a description 1, 2, 3. I've come in, I've put alternate text in here, and it's represented in those fields. Instead of current downtime, I'm going to change this to current event. And it updates here. If I want to change that back to default, clear that out, and it changes right back. This has been a quick introduction to the SC-19.